Hi, my name is Margaret Shepard. I am an electrical engineering student here at Alfred State. My high school was Hornell High School. I really enjoy this major. It's a huge challenge for me sometimes, and I like the aspects of collaborating among my student peers and also faculty. Right now I'm actually working on a firefighting robot project that basically we have to solve a maze, and our robot has to navigate through the maze and put out a fire. And in this, we collaborate among our student peers. I'm actually working with a few computer engineering technology majors, and it's really helped me get accustomed to both the programming side and the electrical side of this project. After my first year, I got a job at the New York State Department of Transportation that actually involved a lot of the work I did here at Alfred State. And this summer, I actually have an internship lined up at Alstom, and hopefully I can take part of what I've done the past few years, take that into my internship, and hopefully next year I may be able to find a career path out of it. So my education and my experiences here at Alfred State have me amped up for my career.
Hit the ground running, hit the ground running.